I just want to start this video off by saying thank you to everyone that's subscribed to me. I just hit 100 followers. My next goal is 1,000, but I appreciate everyone that's been supporting me and watching all my videos. Thank you. I'm going to start off by showing you guys my Orange Dream ball python. It's a double het clown pied. And I am wearing my US Ark shirt today. I became a member, and we have to support US Ark because, you know, they're the ones out there doing the work for us to keep our snakes. Without my snakes and reptiles, you know, I don't know how we want to go on with life. You know, that's my life. That's what my life's been about. That's my passion. So, you know, we don't want anything to happen to our reptiles, so we gotta continue to support US Ark. This is my therapy, you know, because of my accident. I had my amputation, and you know, this is my therapy. So we gotta continue to support US Ark. But yeah, this is my Orange Dream ball python, double het clown pied female. She's getting a little bit size. She's about a couple 100 grams right now. She's getting a little bit bigger. She was a tiny little baby. If you guys look back at my videos when I got her, she was really small. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys an update on my next snake. Is gonna be my Pearl Burmese python. So this is my Pearl Burmese python. This is one of my favorite snakes in the world. If you watch my previous videos, you guys will know that I had a 10-foot Hypo Burmese python, and I had to get rid of her due to my accident. So this is the update on this girl. She hasn't taken Frozen Thought for me yet. But hopefully soon here we could switch her over to Frozen Thought. I'm not a big fan of feeding my snakes live rodents. You can see she's really taming out very well. She never gave me a problem at all. Let me see. Yeah, she's been a good girl. And this is why we need to continue to support US Ark, so we could continue to have these reptiles that we want to have. This is my albino pied ball python, possible Orange Dream, possible pastel. The albino pied is one of my favorite mutations. Albino pied is one of my favorite morphs. As you can see, this guy's getting good size on him. He's currently on small rats. Roughly a little bit over 600 grams. Really good size right now. And this guy is currently breeding right now for me, and he's at the right age. He's a little bit over a year old. I think he's about almost 2 years actually. Really like these guys. Right now I'm in a process of building a cage for my water monitor lizard, my Asian water monitor, the captain board. And I'll probably do an update video on that in the next couple weeks here. Really enjoy holding this guy. That's the albino pied ball python. And then go Niners. Alright, thank you guys for watching my videos. Next goal, 1,000 subscribers.
You